This is the tutorial about the new structure of the configuration files in GRAWMET. To use this function, you need at least GRAWMET version 5.15 and start it with administrator rights. Go to Options. Then click Manage Configuration Files. Continue by opening the Global Configuration tool. In the first tab you can create or modify the global settings. All local settings are shown in the list. The bold settings are only stored locally. You could select all, deselect all, expand all for more information and collapse all to hide the information again. The global settings are stored in local volume C, Program Data, GRAWMET 5 config. The global settings are adopted for all users of the PC. If there are global settings, those are preferred to the local ones. So, any changes to the local settings must be applied to the global settings too, to be loaded next time GRAWMET starts. Select the files you want to set as global and click Apply to save them. Now all selected files are copied into the global configuration path. This tool also allows you to import configuration files, for example from another PC. Click on Select Files to add one or more files for import. You can select archived files, files from other PCs on external media or locally stored files. To export files to the archive or to an external media, choose the next tab. Select whether the files to be exported are to be taken from the local or global path. Choose the files you want to export and decide whether you want to save the files into archive or export them to a folder of your choice. The archive folder will be created in the path where the global settings are stored and is named with the current date. The fourth tab allows you to delete files from both local and global settings. Select the files you want to delete and choose whether these files should be archived before deletion. Click on Delete Selected Files. The global settings are now deleted, but the previously created archive is still available and could be imported if required. This was the tutorial about the new structure of the GRAWMET configuration and the configuration tool.